blood clot DJ. I'm a shot at selector boy.
Yo, gang, you wanna see what I go on? Jeez, and our worst fear has come to fruition. Our worst fear has come to... Yo, man, you know me I ask say, yo, me I hope Shane don't reply, dog. Me I hope Shane don't reply, no, dog. Cause me don't know why Malie got trouble, man, in a dog. Me don't know why, Malie. Yo, if you know, and so you know one of the baddest, most lyrical artists in a dancer. Yeah, man, one of the baddest and most lyrical. So, me don't know where the hell Malie got trouble, man, for dog. You see me, especially since him a war with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 already. You see me, then if you go wake up a lion like Shane or if you jump in the war, why would you do that, man? I mean, want you to come with no excuse in a Malie, but oh, them a group up or them a team up on you, cause you mention the man first. And the man only have, it's only right, the man defend himself. And look where man coming. Song name Defend Myself. Uno know Shane did I go reply, bro. You have to know say Shane go reply, bro. Shane not run from no war, brother. You're supposed to know that already. And if you don't know that, that's even more reason you should have never bother Shane. Because if you don't know say Shane go reply, that means you don't know nothing about Shane then. And Shane a bad artist, man. You see me answer gang, but yo, it's a good look for the culture, it's a good look for music. Me love war. Tune still no, but me just you want the war. Where did I go on? Fi go on. Me know nobody else will come through a bomb over there, but hey, are you wake up a lion? So if you lion there already and I want to bite you, hey. Why for the bite thing? But yeah, if you man want to kill or chop off, where you are. But big up to Malie, big up to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿, big up to Shane. We love how I do for the culture and all these things. I'll check it out and see what I go on. But before we jump in, let me see what I go on when I come into that cause. Yo, why they gonna do this? Somebody say, me did a prayer say Shane no answer, no look there no, them wake up. My thoughts exactly, bro. Me that pray Shane no answer, me that say, yo, maybe Shane no give him a little bygones. You know, maybe, but Shane not partial. Nobody have blood clean. The man say, yo, wrong man name him call. Shane is a war machine, lyrics in overdrive. Bro, if you have to know, so when it comes to lyrics, Shane is definitely in the top 10. You feel me? Don't ball to me, ball to God. You see me I say? Shane this ever huge record. Yo, Shane a big bad artist. Shane probably feel like say man a hot art, he man a big artist because he feel like, you know, hot. Shane is not that key, he's not a hot artist. You know, you need to be more consistent. But anytime you drop tune, people pay attention, trust and believe. And Jambisco don't tell this. But anyway, dog, Shane, pick up your damn self. I know say about lyrics and this, you know, dog. Never put on my listening ears. I put on my listening ears so I know to blood clot. Because I already know say I chop Shane or chopping at this rass, you know, bro. Defend.
We not take this. Think us.
Hold on, I press that by accident. You hear the beat? I put on me ears for real to blood clean. Cause Shane go off on this shit, bro. Come on, gang, let's get it.
We not take this. Think us so this a get you.
And flat same floor. What you are doing a dark room with Shane?
New up in next split. Did I go left laugh kill you? Just now but that.
Yeah, this nice. This nice, me not lie, bro. The intro alone nicer than I like what tune them on that job so far, bro. Can I be honest? Cause this is a war tune for starter. You know when it comes to intro, me love intro to music already, bro. I mean not go partial, I mean not go lie. You see me, me not care who want vex. You see me, big up the whole artist them. Big up to Malie, cause Malie been a subscriber and a supporter of the channel already. You see me, I say? Big up to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 and big up to Shane. But come on now, why don't you go do this? Come on.
We not take this. Think us so this a get you.
And flat same floor. What you are doing a dark room with Shane?
New up in next split. Did I go left?
New dopey next. Machine the dark, you know. Make sure me keep it close, you know, bro, cause people are got dead, we can't really hear. Go on, Joe.
Laugh kill you. Just now but I fit defend me bumbo cloud self. Remember my name you call. Knock wet him, look what headshot left him. One fly through the fucker brain him for it, get it. Had the slim K we carry the porridge belly. That splash him jelly ready fit dash him ready. Boy skin that a bunny money.
Had the porridge. And the Slim K will carry the porridge belly. That's why when Imara splash when shot catch him. And that's what I just say.
Look what headshot left him. One fly through the fucker brain him forehead get it. Had the Slim K will carry the porridge belly. That's dash him jelly ready fi dash him ready. Boy skin that a bunny when we dash leading. Him nasty the medic dark sick headed. Every man pick up grains so him a lick head with.
The man say you nasty the medic bro. You pick up grains. You want every money where you par with.
Boy skin that a bunny when we dash leading. Him nasty the medic dark sick headed. Every man pick up grains so him a lick head with. Rape a boy tell the world like you trick medic. You buck up in a danger. Shot to shot boy we no give his ass. One call up my name till them kill you. Shoot him the la car. Jones have new thugs not real to not.
You see why you know. Bumbo cleat. We all figured say you what the dog called name call upon grape. And none of them think the chronic clan no mention. Me say you know teeny feel. Oh Jesus Christ, me tell you know bro. Me tell you know. The man say yo grape boy, remember say you treat medic you know. Medic what why we not go do it, bro? Why we not go do it? Shane on in trouble, you know? Shane on that baddest thing and he never trouble. Nobody ain't got trouble him. Oh, God.
Boy, we no give his ass. One call up my name till them kill you. Shoot him the la car. Jones have new thugs not real to not even 21 strong where your neighbor. Malie mean your fuck but it's up.
Hold on, dog. No, man. That's all I do. We can't play so, man. No, man. No, can I run it from the top? Me I run it from the top, man. No, sir. I'm not going to cuss me.
We not take this. Think I saw soap this a get trick.
What you are doing in a dark room with 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Think I saw soap you get trick, Malie. Jeez and peace. But get what you say it still. It was an easy shot at Chronicle where you and Shane are doing a grab. Me know what you say, but yo, you should have know what you say.
Moved up in next flip. Did I go left laugh to kill you? Just now bother. I fit defend me bumbo cloth self. Remember me name your call.
One time I go left Chronicle to kill her, bro, but you nah bother. You call me name. You call me name.
Knock it, wet him. Look what headshot left him. One fly through the fucker brain him forehead get it. Had the Slim K will carry the porridge belly. That's dash him jelly ready fi dash him ready. Boy skin that a bun.
That's half of this, bro. The Slim K will carry the porridge belly. That splash him jelly when he shot. Come on now, man.
Ready fi dash him ready. Boy skin that a bun him when we dash leading. Him nasty the medic dark sick headed. Every man pick up grain so him a lick head with. Rape a boy tell the world like you trick medic.
That line is so disgusting, bro. You know what happened to medic that did and them think. Bumbo clot.
Rape a boy tell the world like you trick medic. You buck up in a danger. Shot to shot boy we no give his ass. One call up my name till them kill you. Shoot him the la car. Jones have new thugs not real to not even 21 strong where your neighbor. Malie mean your fuck but it's some pussy lick ass. That name there you fi change that. Binds fully clip till the
Malie mean your fuck body lick. Cause that's true, you know, cause I don't know where the drug Malie come from. The drug Malie was a drug Malie use over in America and use them thing there like ecstasy when you want to do some freaky shit. Hey, when I make sure to break it down like this, that oh my god.
Malie mean your fuck but it's some pussy lick ass. That name there you fi change that. Binds fully clip till the crew max. See me and try nothing. Pussy no a boat box. It like killing me deal with uno no nuts. Pull up from the location, sending it a show map. Well a composure, don't run sporter. Pussy fi with 16 no carry by soldier.
Hey man say well a composure, don't run in a sporter. We see our checks, don't run, you know. We know say you're a sport that, but don't do it. Go on.
Well a composure, don't run sporter. Pussy fi with 16 no carry by soldier. Cast it close up, no face is soldier. And no 6 soldier memorial poster. Wait there, peace time up on my shoulder. Near range, walk up and bust him it closer. Cock on no cold.
So wait there, peace time up on my shoulder. Hold on, then walk up closer. Walk up on the boy and bust him if I can. Shano said, I don't piece and marrow more upon the shoulder. I want the whole thing. I want the whole marrow splash out there on my boat, shoes, lace, everything. What you?
No prop gun holder. Love collect up like silver pan coaster. Just know that modern badness not show back. Hold that. You grow tough, you grow soft like soul song. Deliver like postman. Turn in a goes out a 100, not even 4 stand. When the chick black for me to see too much. No doctor, no the pin you. Remember me grim up left pussy head side flip up. When the bama live, I know how see skill you. Everywhere you say no.
Man say, doctor, they have a pin you. We are crimp. Hey, yo, my crimp him. You know what crimp is? You crush your paper. It man say, man, crush him, I go crimp you. I go crimp.
Chick black for me to see too much. No doctor, no the pin you. Remember me grim up left pussy head side flip up. When the bama live, I know how see skill you. Everywhere you say no hope, Christ him see you. Take the life him give you. The tight thing kill you. Don't make me killers them walking at the.
Man say, hey, when I say you make Christ here, you know, make him take your life when you know. Oh my gosh.
Life in give you, the tight thing kill you. Don't make me killers them walking at the road. Remember anywhere them see you, them a pint it to you. Remember, Pablo Dopi never fly your bat, you know. When that, remember your badness swarm up, you should have bench that. Nozzle in a mouth, fly dentures. On them darker than me when it in a temper.
Nozzle in a mouth, fly your dentures, brother. Cause he got the blood cleaving ears. Oh my gosh. Yo, bro, Shano, bro. I'm telling you, Shano, one of my favorite lyricists, dog. And when it comes to like wordplay, you don't want to do it, don't you?
Remember, Pablo Dopi never fly your bat, you know. When that, remember your badness swarm up, you should have bench that. Nozzle in a mouth, fly dentures. On them darker than me when it in a temper. Them claim them links think but feel ranker. I know they be mad this time.
I'm going them darker than when me in a temper, brother.
Than me when it in a temper. Them claim them links think but feel ranker. I know they be mad this time at the center. Pull up and cut the lecture. Select like selector, electra. Station a ball out, soup and inspector. You woke up in a danger. Shot with shot boy, we no give his ass. Oh, you see 2 man in a dark room. Shoot him, they laugh your car. Common sense thugs, them no rate you. Not even 21 strong, where are your neighbor? Malie mean your fuck, but it's suck pussy lick ass. That name that you fi change that.
Hey man, Malie, the man just write off your name still in a brother. The man say Malie mean your pussy lick, but that name that you fi change that. Oh my God. Dance all nice. Yes, man. Oh goshish. Dance all nice. Oh goshish. Wow, no go do it. Oh goshish. Shano. I'm just, I understand how to defend yourself, me G. Damn, bro. Damn. Shano does mash up your name. The man expose you, say, yo, no like that, them tell you no rate you. The man say, yeah, you ain't fancy now, bro. The man say, you set up medic, bro. The man say, Chuckstar, will you composure, don't run. The man say, Chuckstar, will you composure, don't run, And you call me name. I make laba skill, But you call me name, I defend myself. Yes, man. Oh my God, bro. Why they did that, dog? Oh my God. Shano big up your damn self, dog. We love it, though. We love it. Yo, Malie, I can't run and say them a group up on them a team up on you, bro, G. Yo, I hope my thing now. Oh. Malie, I can't run and say them a group up or team up on you, dog. You go wake your lion. Yeah, but we there feed money, say we can, if you can war 2-on-1, go up, but I'm all for it. You see me and say, we all for it, but you can't run left the law boss in and say, yo, my team up. You see me? And eventually, I forgot to share, you did call him, man come shooting. Yes, man, dog. That's a shoot first, ask question later. Pick up yourself, yo, people. Me and Indians, I don't want to get too long. Me know in the thoughts in the comment section, bro. Right now. Drop a comment. We're going to talk about it.
I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector boy.